How to fix Nord VPN app not working. Welcome back to the channel and let's start with the video. To resolve this issue of your application not working, you can try by press and holding your application. From here, it will display a list of options. Head to App Info. Force stop it and go to Storage and Cache. Tap on Clear Cache. Exit from your App Info. Now you can go ahead and check out your settings option. This is if you are using an iOS device or you don't have this feature for your Android. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Select all apps and tap on the search icon. Search for NordVPN. From here, do the process of force stopping it, heading to Storage and Cache and clearing up the cache. If you are on an iOS device, offload the NordVPN application. Next step, go ahead and open up your Play Store or App Store if you are using an iOS device. In the search bar, search for NordVPN. Tap on the application. Leave for an update if there is an update. If not, you have to uninstall the application and reinstall it later. This will help with any bug issue or server issue. Now open up your settings. Tap on the search icon and search for VPN. In here, we'll be checking if you have allowed VPN access or not. Select the VPN and make sure that the VPN that you are using is in this list. Tap on Settings. Tap on Forget VPN. Once you do this, you can head back from here and tap on the plus sign icon. From here, you can manually add your VPN profile and tap on Save. While you are in your settings, scroll down and tap on System Update. Make sure that your system is up to date so that it is compatible with the VPN you are using. Lastly, check for your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is super slow, your VPN will not work. In that case, try to switch with your cellular data or a better Wi-Fi connection. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.